An earthquake of magnitude 3.8 occurred in the morning on Thursday, July 6, 2023, at 9:30 a.m. local time near Santa Lucia, Las Palmas, Canary Islands, Spain, as reported by Spain's Instituto Geográfico Nacional, IGN. According to preliminary data, the quake was located at a very shallow depth of 5 kilometers. Shallow earthquakes are felt more strongly than deeper ones as they are closer to the surface. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report. A second report was later issued by the citizen-seismograph network of RaspberryShake, which listed it as a magnitude 3.8 earthquake as well.